Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I will be showing how to lower the foot peg of this Apache RTR 200. So as you can see, I have already lowered the foot peg of this bike. So it was initially around here, so I have lowered down to here. So since I am over 6 feet tall, I can comfortably cruise over long distance. So I will be unplugging this and removing this now for taking it on track. This bike tomorrow I will be taking on track. So I will show you what all parts are required and what all custom clamps that I have designed to this for lowering this foot peg. So let's remove this using a 13-inch spanner. So as you can see, here is the left foot peg. So here you can see this is the custom clamp that I have designed. So I have added a metal piece here so that this foot peg will not go this side. So even if we stand on this, it will block here. This metal piece will block here. Also here I have added another piece so that it will be locked here, as you can see the position. Also I have used this bolt to fit this here. Also here in this also I have added 3 washers in between, as you can see, as a spacer so that it will not move around. Also I have used a steel bolt, Allen key bolt here, as you can see. Also another bolt for mounting it here, along with a washer and another nut. Also I have created a spacer for placing it here. So I'll be placing this spacer here using that bolt that I have shown you. So total I have designed 2 parts for this left side. One is this spacer and then this custom clamp along with these 3 washers. That is all about the left side. So let's go and look around how it is done on the right side. So here is the right side foot peg. So this here also I have designed a spacer for placing it between this and then a simple clamp. Here the design is much more simple compared to the left side. So let's remove this and show you the parts. So one more point to note is like this foot peg, this brake pedal I have to lower down by removing this screw on this bottom side, and I have to lower so that the brake lever is also on the same position. So here is a 9mm Allen key. So I have used a 9mm steel bolt, Allen key bolt here. Also here also I have used, but that one is a bit shorter than this one. So let's remove this and see what all parts that I have used. So here I have used a steel bolt instead of a normal bolt. So here are the parts. As you can see, the placement of this bracket in between those and then this bracket itself. So here also I have used 2 washers in between as a spacer, and then a small welding here so that this foot peg will not turn around. This also I have been using for the last 1 year. So here also there is no problem. As you can see here, there are 2 blockades here also one, and this metal this welding also, so this will not turn like this. Then I have rearranged this position as I have said earlier. So here also I have to change the position of this gear lever little bit so that the place of our foot will come around this side properly. Once again I will show you the parts that I have used. So here is the clamp for the left foot peg, and then the spacer and the bolt for the left foot peg. Here is the clamp along with that spacer for the right foot peg. Also the bolts that I have used. So here are the original parts. So I am going to fit that back so that I can take this bike on track tomorrow. So I have also already done some videos on how to install this handlebar raisers, and also this visor and this hand guard and all. So do check them out. So if you like this video, please do comment and like and share also. See you around.